Kemcho Gujarat. I am Nimbalkar from Rajamane Industries, Bangalore. Being in an industry for more than 5 decades, we have understood the needs and wants of the coolant pump applications, and we have developed series of models to suit any kind of requirement of the machine tool makers. We have smallest series named as RV40, and from there we evolved. It is our oldest model, and now we have developed not less than 150, 160 models which cater to the industry in various situations, various applications, and various parameters of different flow and pressure.